think Laltu, you can also be, you can just be on, you can also jump in, feel free to jump in whenever you think that I've missed on something. So we both will be presenting together, and I'll be presenting on behalf of our professor and head Ashish Garg. So a warm welcome to this recruitment session, and we at the Department of Sustainable Energy Engineering are really excited to be here and talk to you and maybe give out many offer letters very soon. So it's a very new department, and Sustainable Energy Engineering, we like to call it C. So whenever I use C, it means I'm referring to the department. So C is a nice short form for our department. And IIT Kanpur, I don't think really needs an introduction in this to this audience, and this is a very premium and a very prestigious institute of the country, and it's a beautiful campus. I have recently joined this institute some 3-4 months back, so I'm still getting acquainted to the campus, but it's a beautiful campus both during the daytime and at night, as you can see. So this is where our journey began. We started in 1959, and then we had this IIT Kanpur Indo-America program, where IIT Kanpur was set up in with a lot of support from a lot of premium universities in the United States. And the emphasis at IIT Kanpur has always been, in fact, we were the first institute in India to offer a science-based engineering education. And IIT Kanpur offered the first degree in computer science and engineering. So there are, I don't really need to bore you with all this. You all know about the legacy of IIT Kanpur. So we are reasonably well connected. We are not as bad as some of the other IITs. Maybe we are not very well connected, but we are not in a bad shape. So we have a very busy railway station. Kanpur railway station is reasonably close to us. We have a functional airport in Kanpur. That is also, we have regular flights from Delhi and Bombay. And also Lucknow airport is not very far. So connectivity wise, we are not the best, but we are pretty okay. Lucknow airport is hardly a 2-hour drive from the campus. And obviously we don't suffer from the problem of air pollution relatively, because you can see, I'll show you some pictures. We have a lush green and a very beautiful campus. The campus area is huge. It's 1,055 acres, and we have excellent faculty strength, a lot of buzzing and young undergraduate, graduate students, postdoctoral. And also I felt that the alumni base of IIT Kanpur is also really awesome. And we are really being supported, especially our department, the C department, gets a lot of support from the alumni. And I'll talk about it in the coming slides. I think I've already talked about all this. Incubation and startups, this has become also a very key component of IIT Kanpur. And we have overall a very vibrant academic and research culture. This is the organization of IIT Kanpur. You can roughly classify us into these 4 disciplines. And you see that Sustainable Energy Department is a very young department, started in 2020. So we have a strong mix of engineering, science, humanities, and sustainable energy has people from all these rather core branches, if I might say. Again, as I've already said, that we have a very robust research and academic system at IIT Kanpur, and a lot of innovation happens at IIT Kanpur. We have the traditional academic departments, then we have incubation centers, research parks, research centers, and also I'll talk about more about this CKCEPCS, which is a very strange acronym for a research center, which is housed in our department, at the Department of Sustainable Energy. So CKCEPS stands for the Chandrakanta Keshwan Center for Energy Policy and Climate Solutions. And this is where we are looking at the real world solutions to some of the upcoming problems, or rather the current problems of our generation. So again, I'll probably talk about this later. But we have many academic and research centers. You can see 22 of them listed over here. We are also building a new medical center, which is going to be a research institute as well as a functional 500-bed facility, multi-speciality hospital. So again, we take good care of staff, and with this medical center coming up, I think the medical facility is going to improve significantly. And also there will be a lot of collaborations on the research side with medical community. I mean, we do have lots of international collaborations and very successful ones. Currently, this collaboration MOU with Rice University, this is very key to our department. And we have a lot of PhD exchange, research exchange, a lot of programs are there. And again, both the student, not only the student, I would like to say the faculty are also reaping. I mean, I see everybody is going somewhere. So there are people going all around, not only students, but also faculty. So a lot of collaboration and exchange programs are happening. Now let me come to the core, which is the C department at IIT Kanpur. And as I've already told you that we are a very young and very dynamic department, started in 2020. And we have predominant emphasis on finding solutions to energy sustainability, and also implications because of climate change. And we are a very interdisciplinary department. So we have, as I'll walk you through my presentation, we have people from electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, policy. So it's a truly interdisciplinary department, as you will realize. We have a very strong curriculum focused on the core aspects of energy and policy. And as I've already said, we have a lot of collaborations, national, international collaborations. We are also very active in interacting with industry. I'm actually surprised that within 2 years, we are doing all this. So industry interaction, interacting with the civil society. So again, I think we really need more people to help us in all these aspects.
Akash, may I?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Previous slide.
Yes.
Just to add a few information for those who are sitting. So we do both basic research as well as system-oriented research. Our research starts from the basics and hope that it ends at a system level, so that the collaboration can be built in. And the major connection that we have built in or trying to build in is the society in terms of government and as well as NGOs. So that's just for adding. Please.
Thanks. Yeah. Thanks, Lal. Yeah. So this is some more details. So currently we are running a master's and a PhD program with 60 students already enrolled in the master's program and 30 in the PG program. We also offer a dual degree in sustainable energy for UG students. As Laltu said, we have a lot of emphasis on the fundamentals as well as practical aspects. And we are soon starting to roll out an e-masters program for working professionals on energy technology and policy, and also a UG program as well. So we are looking to expand. These are some of the areas, broadly the research themes on which the department works. As you see that energy is the key theme, energy generation, storage, decarbonization, and also policy. So humanities and policy is also integral to the department. And I'll walk you through some of the expertise that we have in the department as of now. So we have a very strong group working on materials and devices. So these are mainly material scientists who work on things like solar cells and batteries. As of now, we have 8 full-time faculty, few joint faculties, and a lot of adjunct faculties. We also have a solid group in mechanical engineering, where again, you see that there are people from different aspects working on renewables as well as energy efficiency, all connected under the umbrella of energy. We have people from power as well as energy policy, economics, and climate issues. We have a lot of distinguished visitors who frequently visit us, and then we are able to share our knowledge and exchange new ideas with them. So again, every day somebody or the other is coming. Also, there are very solid research centers in the department. There's a center on solar and hydrogen energy, which was recently funded for 8 crores. We have a center on battery development, which was funded for 12 crores. Also, the IIT K Rice Center does a lot of collaborative research with Rice University, and also my favorite, the Chandrakant Keshwan Center for Energy Policy and Climate Solutions, which was established with generous support from Sudhakar Keshwan. And this center actually drives the energy technology and policy aspects of the department, as well as we are driving the initiative to make IIT Kanpur net zero, net carbon neutral. These are the priority areas of the department. I think we already showed this flyer, so I'll just go through it. So there are a lot of benefits of joining IIT Kanpur. We have excellent research infrastructure, and apart from research infrastructure, there are also excellent colleagues and a lot of good students that we attract because we are IIT Kanpur. And as compared to universities abroad where getting scholars or PhD scholars or master scholars is slightly more challenging, here there's generous grants from the government that provide postdoc, not only PhD but also postdoctoral fellowships for students. IIT Kanpur also offers a very generous relocation package and top-up salary for all new faculty members for the first 3 years. So, yeah.
Yeah, also, I mean, we provide a good startup research grant. There are provisions that can be topped up depending on case-to-case basis. So that's also very positive point.
Yeah. So as I have already boasted about the beautiful campus, which I am enjoying currently. So there is a school. It's a small, like a small community which we live in. And there's a school. There are multiple schools. In fact, there's a shopping complex, excellent greenery, very neat and clean campus. So, and also this medical research and technology center is coming up, which will further enhance our medical capabilities. The recruitment process. So you need to start with the application. So either you can start at the DOFA portal, or you can directly, where you will get a lot of information about the application process. So you can go to DOFA, which is Department of Faculty Affairs, and you can also check our website, where you will get some more idea about what we are doing. And then once you apply through the Pingla portal, so DOFA will actually guide you to the Pingla portal, which for which the link I shared with you. So once you move to the Pingla portal, then we are reasonably quick in doing the departmental screening. Every 3 months we have a screening round. So once we receive your application, within 3 months you will be invited for a talk if your application is screened. And then in the talk, it's going to be both a research and teaching seminar. And once again, here, if you are through with the research and teaching seminar, then there's an interview with the selection committee. And finally, if you are through with that, then we release the offer. And in the departmental screening, we are really quick. 3 to 4 months is all what we take. But if you are really, in a hurry, or if you feel that there is some urgency, then you can always email to the head of department, or also you can copy me. Okay, so some of the things to look out for, that the seminars are taken very seriously, the research statements, so you need to have a very good research proposal, as well as an excellent teaching plan, and so that you can gel in well with the department, and we should be able to feel that you understand what are our needs and how you can demonstrate your best fit. On the publication side, we value quality much more over quantity. PDF experience is preferred but not mandatory. So thank you. I think I have slightly exceeded on time. So thank you so much. And if there are any questions, any more discussions anybody would like to have, we can really go into details.